Hey guys, it's ArtSea, and I wanted to say Merry Christmas. Today I'm going to be teaching you the beginner trick called the tabletop. There's a few ways to do the tabletop, but I'm going to teach you the beginner one, which is where it lands on the back of your hand. But there is an advanced one that lands on your foot, and there's one that lands on your knees. Thank you so much to all my Patreons for helping and supporting me. By the way, I offer lessons in Tier 3 and Tier 4 if you want to get better quickly. Okay, so today I'll be showing you the tabletop. It's a beginner trick. This is a fun trick to put in freestyling. Pretend I'm just going at it, and I end. I want to go like that, and there you go. That was the tabletop in there. So it's actually a pretty easy trick, but I'm going to give you some tips in order how to do it correctly. So you're going to get the knife in this position. You're hopefully going to be having it facing down when you do it, because you want to have the smallest amount of lift when you throw it. So you're going to have it parallel to the ground, facing away from you. You want to throw it really softly. See, it almost fell off my hand. But you want to throw it really softly so it lands right here on your hand. So let's see. It lands right here in the little dips of your hand, because here's your knuckles, and you want it to be right here on the dips, because that's where you're able to have it most steady, okay? So you land here, you throw it back up, you catch it, and then you can start flipping again. To do that, you have to have it as parallel as you can to the ground. You can't throw it that high. It has to be like about an inch or less. So you're throwing it very lightly, and you see, you don't want it to be like this, because that doesn't look good. You want the handles to be closed. So let's do it again. So you want to throw it like that, have it land, catch it like that. And remember, you can do this with your foot, with your knee. You can like go from here to your foot and back up in this grip. And that's also a really cool maneuver to do while you're freestyling. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you have, and I'll make sure to answer. Or you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.